Namaste bachon. Hope you are all doing good. Today we are going to see lesson 11 part 11 Onam. Onam is the name of a festival. Okay ma. In this lesson we are going to see a boy named Sundaram who has celebrated Onam festival in his village that is in Kerala. Okay. So let us move on to the lesson. May Sundaram whom. Children, please watch day 1 video in our channel so that it will be easy for you to understand this day 2 video. Yes, Dadi ji, Dadi mane grandmother, Dadi ji और माँ and mother, grandmother and mother ने प्रसाद के लिए चावल के स्वादिष्ट पकवान बनाए. So the Sundaram is telling that his grandmother and his mother they made many dishes. Okay, my eatables, pakwan. Okay, made by the rice. Okay, swadisht mane tasty. Pakwan eatables. Okay, with the rice. उन्होंने नारियल के दूध की गुड़ वाली खीर भी बनाई. नारियल माने कोकोनट, नारियल के दूध माने कोकोनट मिल्क, गुड़ माने जैगरी. ओके, सो व्हाट द मदर डिड, शी मेड ए porridge. ओके, मा खीर विथ कोकोनट मिल्क एंड जैगरी. ओके, जो बहुत स्वादिष्ट थी, which was very tasty. Okay, Sundaram has written that this kheer is very tasty. Okay, yes. पूजा के बाद, after the prayer, okay, after the पूजा, हमें तरह तरह के पकवान, तरह तरह माने many kinds के पकवान, eatables खाने को मिले. Okay, ma'am, there were many dishes made on that day of Onam. Okay, ma'am. संध्या के समय. Okay, संध्या माने evening. संध्या के समय, the evening time. हम नौका दौड़ देखने गए. नौका दौड़ माने boat race. Okay, ma'am. So morning they woke up and they had bath and they were wearing the new dress. Okay, and mummy made many dishes, and after the prayer they had all those things and very happily they were enjoying the festival. And in the evening time what they did, they went to see the boat race. Okay, ma'am. Yes, Aran Mula, the name of the place is Aran Mula Namak Stan. What is the name of the place, ma'am? Aran Mula. पर नौका दौड़ का आयोजन था. Okay, so this boat race, okay, has been arranged in the place Aran Mula. लंबी लंबी नौकाओं, नौकाओं माने boats. Okay, लंबी माने long boats में 30-40, 30 माने 30, 40 माने 40, 30-40 नाविक, नाविक माने बोटमैन बैठे हुए थे. 30 to 40 boatmen were sitting in the boat. वे गीत गाते हुए बड़ी तेजी से चप्पू लगाकर एक दूसरे से आगे निकलने की होड़ में थे. Okay, ma. So those 30 to 40 boatmen were sitting in that long boat. What they were doing? They are singing a song. Okay, ma. That is evenly. All the 40 peoples are repeating the same lines, same sound. Okay. बड़ी तेजी, तेजी माने fast, very fast. But चप्पू लगाकर, okay, they are riding the boat and एक दूसरे माने one another, एक दूसरे से आगे निकलने, आगे माने going forward. Okay, ma. So one another they had the competition, they had the race. होड़ माने क्या है? Race. Okay, so they were riding the boat very fastly to win the race. Okay, yes. कभी कोई नाव आगे निकल जाती. Okay, if suppose sometimes one boat is going or moving forward. Okay, तो कभी कोई, and then the other boat is going forward. Okay, because that is a race. Okay, so everyone wants to go first. तट पर, तट माने शोर. ओके, तट पर खड़े लोग. खड़े माने standing, लोग माने peoples. The peoples were standing on the shore. Okay, तालियां बजा बजा कर. तालियां माने claps. बजाना, तालियां बजाना माने to clap. ओके माँ, तालियां बजा बजा कर नाविकों का उत्साह बढ़ा रहे थे. Those people, they were standing on the shore. Okay, they were encouraging these people who were in the boat. Okay, they are clapping and encouraging them to come first. Okay, yes. जीते हुए नाविकों को फूल मालाएं पहनाई गईं. So one who won the race, okay, they were given the flower garland. Okay, हमें इस प्रतियोगिता को देखने में बहुत आनंद आया. हमें भी इस प्रतियोगिता माने कंपटीशन, प्रतियोगिता कंपटीशन को देखने में बहुत आनंद. आनंद माने हैप्पी, बहुत आनंद, वेरी हैप्पी. वी फेल्ट वेरी हैप्पी टू सी दिस कंपटीशन. ओके मैम. दादाजी ने कहा, द ग्रैंडफादर सेड कि माने दैट रात को. ओके मैम, मॉर्निंग सुबह दे डिड द अरेंजमेंट्स फॉर द ओनम फेस्टिवल, एंड दोपहर आफ्टरनून दे हैड ए great lunch. Okay ma, yes. Then Sandhya, evening time, they went and saw the boat race. Now night, raat. Okay, raat. What the grandfather said कि रात को कथकली नृत्य देखने जाएंगे. कथकली is the name of a dance. Okay ma, like Bharatanatyam, Kuchipudi, Kathakali is also a famous dance. कथकली नृत्य, नृत्य माने डांस. कथकली नृत्य देखने जाएंगे. We will go. The grandfather said, we will go and see Kathakali dance in the night. Okay, yes. कथकली नर्तकों, नर्तकों माने डांसर्स. कथकली नर्तकों ने अपने मुंह पर, मुंह माने फेस पर कई रंग लगा रखे थे. Okay, they apply many colors on all over the face. राक्षस बने नर्तक बहुत भयानक लग रहे थे. राक्षस माने demon. Okay, one dancer, one Kathakali dancer looks like Rakshas. Okay, so what Sundaram is telling, he was very scared to see that dancer, the dancer who looks like a demon. Okay ma'am, yes. मैं तो उन्हें देखते ही डर गया. डरना माने scared, got fear. Okay, so he got scared of seeing that dancer. चाचा जी उनकी तस्वीरें खींचने में व्यस्त थे. Okay, चाचा जी माने uncle. Okay, my uncle was very busy in taking photos. Okay, of those dancers. मैं ये तस्वीरें अपने साथ ले जाऊंगा. What Sundaram is telling, I will take all those pictures along with me. और अपने मित्रों को दिखाऊंगा. And I will show those pictures to my friends. दादी जी ने ओणम की कथा भी सुनाई. Children, there is a story behind the Onam festival. Okay ma'am, see that story is available in our channel. If you are free and when you have time, you can check that Onam lesson in our channel. Okay ma'am, yes. यह है राजा महाबली के प्रजा प्रेम की कहानी. राजा महाबली, okay, is the king. Mahabali's story is the story behind the Onam festival. Okay, that is to show the affection okay, of Raja Mahabali towards his citizen. Okay, Praja mane citizen. Praja Prem mane the affection of Raja Mahabali towards his citizen. Okay ma? Yes. इस बार ओणम का त्योहार मनाकर जो आनंद आया वैसा पहला कभी नहीं आया. Now what Sundaram is telling, this time, okay, the happiness which I got on celebrating this Onam festival, which I never got. Okay, so he has written in his experience that he was very happy in celebrating this Onam festival with his family who were there in the village. Okay ma? Yes. परिवार के साथ त्योहार मनाने का आनंद अनोखा होता है. Okay, that is परिवार माने फैमिली, के साथ माने विथ, परिवार के साथ त्योहार मनाने का आनंद, द हैप्पीनेस. ओके, मनाना माने सेलिब्रेट, त्योहार माने फेस्टिवल, अनोखा माने यूनिक. Now I will explain you children again. परिवार माने फैमिली, परिवार के साथ, साथ माने विथ, त्योहार फेस्टिवल, मनाना माने टू सेलिब्रेट, का आनंद हैप्पी, अनोखा होता है. Okay, uncomparable, that is celebrating the festival with our own family is uncomparable. Okay ma? This is what Sundaram has written as his experience which he had in his village, okay, while celebrating the Onam festival. Okay children, so you children, when you grown up, okay, wherever you are, please come and join with your family on the days of festivals to celebrate with them and make them also happy, and you also can feel the same happiness. Okay children, hope you understood this lesson very well. Please subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friends. Thank you children. Dhanyavad.